N8n for lead generation. So in this video, we're going to look into how you can use N8n or in what ways N8n can contribute for lead generation. So we're going to just analyze on these. So let's get started. So as you may know, N8n. So N8n it's actually an open source, a node-based automation platform that lets you like visually design workflows connecting numerous apps. Okay, not just apps, even APIs and other logics without the traditional coding. So you don't really need any coding skills. And similar, like unlike the Zapier or and other apps, it's fully extensible, self-hostable, and doesn't limit the automation run by plan levels. Okay, so in lead generation, so how these N8n can contribute to lead generation, so it can like contribute in numerous ways. Like basically N8n can automate like every stage of the funnel, like from capturing and enrichment to scoring, follow-ups, CRM integrations, and everything, like using the connectors and custom logic. So this is the basically what N8n can do. So this is N8n. So if you go to their website, so n8n.io, so that's the original website, the official website, and then you can like sign up. So you can use the free plan for a limited time. So you have the free plan, so you can just click on it and then start with the free plan. So what it can do is it can do like N8n can ingest leads from virtually any source, like for example forms and landing pages via like Google Forms or other sites, like or from ad platforms like Facebook lead ads, or from scrapping or extraction from business directories like Google Maps, or like inbound emails and messaging parsed out for contact information. So the leads never sit in silos, they are captured instantly and routed downstream with N8n. Okay, and once these details are captured, so what the leads can be the leads can be automatically enriched and qualified. So you can add company info, job titles, social profiles via the enrichment APIs, and then you can like score or segment based on their custom logic. So you can like categorize it based on that, and then you can tag your lead sources for like different campaigns, and you can filter out invalid or duplicate contact automatically, and all these things you can use N8n to clean it up and filter it up. So this lets you focus efforts on higher value prospects and not just on the list. So once you logged in, you will get to this screen here where you can start using your N8n here to create connections. So N8n can actually help you with integration with CRM and other system integrations. It can push and sync leads to CRM systems, like if you're using Salesforce, Pipedrive, or any other system, or like even database and spreadsheets like Google Sheets and stuff, or Airtable, and also to like things like analytics and BI tools for custom dashboards and task and alert systems for sales reps. So it ensures that your pipeline is always up to date. Okay, so normally end-to-end N8n workplace follows like this. So what happens is when you create a trigger, so when you log into your account, as I mentioned, you can just click on it and click on a workflow and click on create a new workflow. So here what happens is that you will get this screen where you have to like add your triggers. So first thing is you will add a trigger, a lead capture from an ad or from a webbook, anything. So you're going to add that. So that's the first thing that you do, the manual trigger. And then you do a validation, check for valid email and phone. Then you do enrichment, you add the company size, the job title, and all those things. Scoring, which means assign a lead score based on rules. And then the CRM sync, you can push the CRM with source and score tags. Outreach, which send personalized emails and schedules for follow-ups. And engagement tracking, which updates status based on your opens and replies. And routing, which means notifying sales rep for qualified leads. And nurture, like warm leads into long-term nurture campaigns. So these are the like entire workflow which can be done through N8n. So the main advantage of using this N8n is that it's highly customizable. So you design the logic, the filters, and sequences exactly how you want. Okay, there is no hard limits on steps or runs, so it's pretty flexible. Okay, you can do that. And next, it's open source and self-hostable, which means self-hosting lets you avoid any vendor pricing per row cost and API rates, that's common in other tools. And it integrates widely. So this one integrates widely. It connects to hundreds of services and supports from custom HTTP nodes to integrate anything with an API. As long as you have the API key, you can integrate it, okay, which is pretty good. And it has advanced logic. So the conditional branching, retry logic, validation, scoring, and AI enrichment make it suitable for more complex funnels and tasks. Okay, and you can build workflow operating independently and reusable logic across multiple campaigns, which is pretty good as well. Okay, so these are the benefits of using your N8n, so setting up connections with N8n for lead generation. So for example, when you're setting up a workflow, so what you need to do is you can always go back, click on these. Once you start a workflow, click on this notes panel, search. So what do you want to search? So for example, if it's a Gmail, then search for a Gmail, and it's going to show you all the triggers with Gmail, associated with Gmail. You can just select one, okay, and then once you added it, and then here you need to connect your Gmail. So for example, connect your Gmail, create new credentials, and then what you have to do is try to sign in with your Google and then connect your Gmail account if you're using Gmail account. Similarly, if other accounts or um, other accounts or other apps you're using, you just have to log in with them and then authorize it. So for example here, so you have a trigger here. So for example, my Gmail, if I've collected it, so so Gmail is the trigger. So when a new email comes in, what do you want to do? You click on add and then select what you want to do. So for example, it gives you like it sends an email. When a new email sends, it forwards to another email, or you want to get notified in different app like Slack or anything. So whatever it is, you can simply choose what happens next. So you, as I mentioned, you decide so what will happen and what happens next. So you decide the entire thing and you set it up. So that's why I said it's highly customizable. You just have to simply follow, like as mentioned earlier, there's no coding or anything required. You just have to search what needs to be done, and then you can simply get simply just customize it and then set it up. So if I want, for example, again Gmail, so send it to my, for example, to my business profile or to my any of these like Telegram, for example, something like that. So get a chat or leave a chat if when a new email came, something like that. So I can just set it up, customize each and every apps here. So I just have to, if I'm using Telegram, so I have to log into my Telegram account and configure it. So similarly, so you just can add any apps here and connect it to whatever task you want that apps to do. You can set it up. Once you set it up, you just have to click on save, and then once you're ready, hit on the publish option here, because I haven't completed, so I can't publish it, so you just have to publish it. So N8n is actually a powerful platform for building complex high control lead generation systems. It's ideal for teams that want like custom logic, scalability, and integration freedom without any vendor lock-ins. Okay, it's pretty much helpful for, and it uses less quick setup time, so there's not much you need in order to set it up. So that's basically pretty much it is. Hope this information and video helps.